Jadi ini ruang ini kok ya? Apa namanya? Hobi.
Yeah, my man cave. Come on, come on. Come on.
Ini sebuah tempat apa gitu kok? What do you create for this?
This is the display for a train. Yeah, mostly I collect train Maclean. Is 187 scale. Ini beberapa Maclean di sini. And also over there. You see. So Maclean is from Germany. This is my passion since young. Jadi waktu saya udah kerja, udah punya uang, baru saya bisa afford to buy this thing. So and then I also finally saya bisa bikin display, so I can play the train, ya kan. Jadi we design this thing with my partner di train. Actually I have a train shop. They call it tokocreator.com here. That's the thing. That's the yellow one there. Yes. You can go tokocreator.com. Ya kan? I think from here ya. At the back of here.
Iya, di sini favorite ya.
Sorry. Oh, oops. Gak apa-apa, beda deh. So, yeah. Then I also collect the aircraft. Yeah. This 1/500 scale and 1/400 scale. This all the aircraft is all replica of real one. Jadi kalau you lihat banyak tulisan-tulisan macam-macam, that's because it's real. Ada yang benar, yang aslinya gitu. It's not because they paint the aircraft because of certain moment. Habis itu mereka hapus balik lagi, back to normal.
Tapi ada nggak kok yang udah nggak ada beroperasi kali ya? Ada yang nggak beroperasi kali ya?
Semua
masih.
Mostly ada beberapa banyak banget yang sudah tidak beroperasi, makanya jadi collectible. Ya kan?
Collectible item.
Collectible item. Kalau in back of you it is the Formula One. This is 1/5 scale.
Oh.
It start from below that one. It's the first soccer win di Ferrari tahun 2000. Terus di sini naik 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 5 times jadi champion. Yang terakhir itu adalah paling atas itu his last car.
The blue one.
No, the red one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. The blue one is Alonso winning at that time. Ya, jadi dia dapat license. Jadi it's very rare. Ya.
Kayak dia dapatnya dari mana kok, import semua berarti ya?
Ya. Dan dia kamu tulis di sana, you can see on the left near the tic tac sana. Kamu zoom in, how many they make, I forgotten. Itu ada kan dekat.
Iya. Limited edition ini ya. 8 out of 200.
I also collect some of the car toys. Ya. Dari 118 sama 112 scale. Ya kan, yang gedean ini 112 scale. It normally is very collectible item. Made some by BBR, Auto Art, CMC, terus Exoto.
Since when you're collecting all of this?
Since 1998 I start. Yeah, one by one. But actually I'm only collect certain model only. Yeah. Gitu. Then I also collect some. If you see here, there's the King and Country. It's the toy soldier. Like that. That's the World War II. Yeah. There's a British area, and this is German below here.
This one.
That's the American at the top. Second one is the second row is the Lady Craft, and the below down is Napoleon. Napoleon versus the British.
This one.
It's made from the steel. And this one, see, you get so many color of Japan Airline. You see that here? Here below. Yes, that's all real. They have Mickey Mouse. So many Mickey Mouse. Look, the pink one, the blue one. And also, they got so many things. That's a real one. I saw a few of them in the real life. And below is the ANA with all Pokemon.
Oh,
See all the Pokemon.
Oh.
Some Universal Studio. It's all real. Then you can see at the back of you also. All my collection. Yeah.
Oh, Eva Air. This one you bought it the past.
Some you must buy in the airline. Like that Singapore Airline also. On the second row. Yeah. That's the old one. But I stopped collecting I think in 2005 or whatever. So I'm not continuing. The last one is the A380. That's it. You know the next A380, the one the colorful one.
Which
on the
one?
right?
On the right. Oh, this one.
That's they paint 2 aircraft of that. One is the yang kebakar di Taiwan.
Oh.
Yang SQ pertama kali jatuh di Taiwan. That color very nice, yeah.
Yeah, the blue one.
The blue colorful thing. Yeah, this is part of my hobby. And then also at the above you see,
So.
yeah, there's a Hot Toys. This one never display. Still in the box, brand new in box. Never display. I don't know about 100 pieces plus.
Yeah.
I never display yet.
When that one already been displayed everywhere.
That's different. That's different. Ke atas dulu deh. Then the that's this McLean also have a display. The big one. And on the right Lego, so I never displayed it before. Yeah. This brand new in box.
Wow.
Still sealed.
Belinya mah udah lama tapi still in the box ya, Pak?
Ya. Nah, yang bagus saya kesini deh. So, this one is this is 1:2 scale. This is called statue. This is called statue. Yeah, kan? So statue means that you cannot change the display. That's it. You know. And this is like 1/4 scale. And this is the finally I got this display. Yeah, not easy to make this aluminium and put all together. This is considered old history of the German railway. I like train because German is the most have a train because of the Nazi at the time. Dia everything diangkut pakai kereta api. Tentara mau sampai passenger, sampai dia buat the fastest kereta api pakai steam pun Jerman. Gitu loh. Dan kedua adalah Amerika. Karena Amerika perlu freight dari west ke east ya. Segitu lebar dia perlu ngangkat bahan-bahan baku segala macam. Kalau Jerman untuk perang ya banyak kan dulu dipergunakan dan untuk passenger juga. Nah ini adalah top kereta lah, termasuk this one is the King Ludwig train. You see that, the blue one, but with the small thing. Go. And this is a King Wilhelm train. Karena ini King Wilhelm ini apa namanya? Mungkin raja terakhirnya Jerman ya. Sampai ada bednya segala macam dalam situ. Ruang makannya juga gede sekali, kayak di istana.
That's the degree from your university, where?
Yeah, that's my degree. And this is some helmet, if you know the dolphin. This is the real helmet. It's the game day. Not supposed to be sell.
Oh.
It's very heavy. This is the real one that they use when they play. And this one is replica, but it's signed by Dan Marino, one of the famous quarterback. And this is I forgot, 1974 or 70 something, that they won the Super Bowl, and they got the perfect game. Perfect game means that they never lost in the regular season, and finally they won the Super Bowl. And it's all signed by all the player and the coach to celebrate 40 years of this moment.
Did you get it, or?
I have to buy.
Oh, you have to buy.
I have to buy. And this is, I think, when I want to buy this thing, I take a look that, make sure the coach sign the thing. Because the coach must be passed away. Because it's already old.
Yeah, 1970 something.
Something,
right?
and plus 40 years. Can you imagine? So, now he's already passed away. So, I bought this one like 8 years ago.
Oh, you recently bought it?
Yeah. Because 40 years kan, 40 years after the 1974 kan, about 2014.
Right.
Iya kan? Then they release.
Oh, I can imagine.
So this is part of my hobby. If you see, a lot of things. I also collect Lego, a lot of things. Yeah. But so when I got paralyzed with this thing. So then I also have time to do my hobby, right? So after that, why I have a vision, because anak saya pengen anjing itu hari, dan saya juga pengen anjing karena pada saat itu anak saya sudah mau kuliah. Saya tahu bahwa saya akan sendirian, ya kan? Maksud saya kan tidak ada anak lah, anak saya cuma satu. Jadi dia akan pergi kuliah ke luar negeri, pasti saya akan kesepian. Walaupun saya banyak hobi lah, saya punya momen, tapi tetap momen dengan anak itu berbeda. Jadi mungkin anjing adalah suatu animal yang kita adopt, yang kita bisa sayang, ya, seperti kayak manusia. Jadi ingat kalau Anda punya anjing ya, tolong sayangi seperti anak Anda sendiri. Ya kan, Anda harus care, harus mandiin atau cuci dia, harus take care makan dia, main dengan dia, sama aja seperti manusia.
Yo. Ini jadi kamu pencinta Star Wars ya, kok?
Iya.
Hah? So you watch the series dari yang benar-benar original sampai yang sekarang juga?
Yes.
Yang the one on the Disney Hotstar, have you watched it again?
Semuanya. Sampai ke Mandalorian. Sekarang kan Book of Boba Fett ya. Habis itu kan sekarang lagi mau bikin Obi-Wan Kenobi. Gitu loh.
Jadi gimana pengalaman kau pas pertama kali mau ngambil Gio tuh? Cerita-cerita kan ada kayak isu-isu sama Mas Kempor.
Waktu pertama itu kita mau ambil si Gio itu kan, si Kempor itu kasih tau Sansan bahwa jangan dikasih lah, karena istri saya itu waktu itu tadi istri saya sama anak saya yang pergi ke sono. Istri saya tuh pegang anjing aja kayaknya masih geli-geli gitulah, ya kan. Tapi akhirnya anak saya dikasih tahu nih, dia dengar sampai di rumah dia bicara dengan saya. Dia bilang, "Daddy, I think we cannot get Gio." I say, "Why?" Karena salah satu staffnya bilang bahwa Mami tidak bisa sayang anjing, because waktu dipegang aja geli-geli kayak begitu.
How do you feel pas itu?
Waktu saat itu saya feel, wah, kok bisa begitu? Nah, anak saya quite disappointing untuk itu. Ya udahlah, tapi saya nggak pikirin dulu. Akhirnya untuk kedua kalinya, saya bilang sama Sansan, akhirnya pergi juga dia ke sono. Nah, waktu pergi ke sono, kayaknya dia juga pergi agak telat. Dan kedua juga sudah kemalaman. Soalnya kalau bisa dibawa pulang agak malam kan, dengan tempat baru takutnya dia kurang comfortable atau dia bisa nangis atau bagaimana. Jadi akhirnya dia pulang dengan empty handed juga, ya kan. Dengan kayak gitu saya berpikir, akhirnya saya telepon Sansan. Karena akhirnya saya bilang sama Sansan, saya sebenarnya bukan nggak mau ke tempat you, karena dengan kondisi saya begini, saya kurang comfortable lah. Takutnya ngerepotin kalian semua di sana. Tapi akhirnya saya cerita kondisi saya dengan, sebenarnya saya ini paralyzed ya, dengan wheelchair segala macem. Akhirnya dia malah bilang, udah kamu kapan datang aja ke sini, gitu loh. Ya kan, don't have to be worried. Akhirnya saya decide ke sono, dan dia welcome, dia tanya saya mau makan apa segala macem. Saya bilang don't have to be repot-repot lah. Akhirnya kita ngobrol-ngobrol lama, akhirnya kita bawa pulang juga si Gio, ya kan. Finally we get Gio, and my daughter is happy so much, you know, and dia sangat-sangat thank you, ya kan, terhadap Sansan. Dan sebenarnya saya thank you for the trust that we can have it, your beautiful dog, ya, dan believe that we can take care of it, you know, as what of the part of our family. Ya, jadi akhirnya kita bawa pulang dan happy semuanya, dan Gio di take care sangat bagus. Malah saya akhirnya nggak kedapetan sama sekali karena mereka yang lebih dominan antara my wife and my daughter gitu loh, ya kan. Jadi at the end of the day, berbulan-bulan berjalan, semua anak saya selalu dominan. Saya cuma dapat satu hari paling cuma nggak sampai sejam main sama dia, ya kan. Habis itu si Gio selalu ikut ke mereka berdua gitu loh. So beberapa bulan berikutnya saya bilang, so if you have another one, I want the standard one. He say why? Because I don't get any chance to play with the Vision, ya kan, to accompany me. So akhirnya ya udah, nanti tunggu berapa bulan baru ada, kata dia. So finally pada September 2021 I adopt Coco atau Kohiba, then now become part of our family, which is very nice dog, very cute like teddy bear, ya kan. And thank you again for trusting us for the second Vision. I know it's not easy to get from Sansan, ya kan, tapi with the trust, that's the most important thing, ya kan. Sama aja, dua-duanya saya main bawa pulang aja, saya nggak tahu harganya, nanti baru berapa hari baru saya ngomong. Which is they are quite trust to us, that's the most important thing.
Jadi untuk kayak sekarang ini biasanya kau kan mengkoleksi barang-barang yang benda mati kan kau.
Betul.
Nah sekarang kan kau kan ya belum mengoleksi Vision lah, cuman sudah adopt Vision.
Yeah.
So what's the difference? Apa yang beda gitu perasaannya, feelingnya gitu?
Ya karena dulu kan bendanya itu benda mati, sekarang kan benda yang benda hidup, jadi bisa dianggap sebagai kayak kita punya family atau anak sendiri gitu. Kita bisa play dengan dia, bisa cheerful, dia bisa gonggong, dia bisa ngerti, bisa bangunin kita kalau lagi tidur kadang-kadang, ya kan. kita harus pay attention buat dia, buat makan segala macem. Jadi dia tuh sangat playful dan sangat menghibur, ya kan. Mainan juga menghibur segala macam, tapi dengan dia itu hiburan itu lain sekali, ya kan. Walaupun dia tidak bisa ngobrol, tapi dengan sifat dia, dengan muka dia itu membuat kita tuh sangat falling in love.
Kelucuan ambigunya dia.
Iya, betul. Betul, sangat lucu.
Is there any memorable things yang udah pernah kejadian bareng sama Kohiba atau Gio, atau most interesting story lah?
Sebenarnya sih story sih banyak sekali, tapi yang paling penting itu dia juga membantu kita untuk merilis kita punya stres. Itu penting sekali. Apalagi dengan kondisi saya sekarang ini, dengan ada mereka itu, jadi saya lebih nggak terlalu stres lagi, ya kan. Jadi apapun yang terjadi, kalau udah bosen, kita bisa ke dia untuk main, untuk ngapain gitu, kasih dia treat atau bawa dia jalan aja, kita happy dengan kelakuan mereka. Apalagi mereka juga kalau tiap minggu mau ke rumah Sansan pun juga mereka juga sangat cheerful gitu loh. Atau dia bisa main dengan teman-temannya di sana, ya kan, atau apapun, tapi tetap sangat cheerful gitu loh. Ya, itu yang paling sangat memorable buat saya sih.
Thank you so much, Bunda, for letting us to come to your house, explore.
Thank you so much also for coming. Yeah, hope this one helpful for other people. Saya mau pengen Anda semua bersemangat dalam hidup, apapun yang terjadi dalam sekarang ini, dalam pandemik atau apapun segala macam. Yang penting Anda harus fighting, ya kan? Kita harus bisa fight, apapun kita bisa lalui. Yang penting kita mau. Ya, everything. Thank you. God bless everybody.
See you.
See you. Go, Gio. Ya, Kohiba is one of the favorite.
Tahu banget.
Yeah.
Oh,
Cuba painter. I asked the guy to paint for me.